Hey family, it's CookedByJess here today, and today I'll be teaching you how to make chicken Alfredo pasta. Not the Italian way, but my way. So let's get into it. The first thing you're going to do is to slice your chicken breast into two thin slices. First of all, take out the fats, right? Making sure no part is bigger than the other. Can you see that? Need to just can you see what that looks like? Yeah, I know this part kind of looks funny, but we're going to season my chicken breast, I'll be using garlic powder, Old Bay, Italian seasoning, some cayenne pepper, olive oil, and the juice and the zest of a lemon. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. But I like, flavor, so we're building flavor here, right? This Italian seasoning, I think, is a game changer for your Alfredo pasta or your Alfredo chicken pasta, or for your chicken Alfredo pasta.
Yeah.
You can use black pepper if you want. I always use cayenne pepper because that is what I like. Some olive oil. We're not going to do too much. So this is my lemon. We don't want to put too much so that it's not too lemony. I'm going to squeeze in 1/2 of the lemon juice in here. Oh my gosh, it smells so good already. Can you see that? Can you see what it is? So for my pasta, I'm going to incorporate some parsley, some fresh parsley, and some fresh oregano leaves, right? As you can see, this is what they look like. I'm using fresh oregano leaves because I do not have the dry ones. So if you have the dry ones, like the ones that are already processed, you can use that. But I already got these because I want to make some pizza. So I was like, why not put this in my pasta? So I got that, and I'll be using some fresh parsley too to garnish. Yeah, this is going to build flavor, guys. This is going to build flavor, guys. And I promise you, trust the process. So just like this. So this is how much I'll be using. And then for my oregano leaves, I'm just going to also pick it. It smells so good, really good. This is my first time using oregano leaves, so yeah, let's just do it. So I think the oregano leaves are enough. We don't want it too herby. At the same time, we want it to be very flavorful. So this is what it looks like. Let's set that aside. While we work on our oregano leaves, this is what it looks like. I'm going to set this aside and get into our chicken. And I'm just going to put a little bit of oil. So I'm not going to put too much because we already put some olive oil in our chicken marinade. Oh. This is what we're looking for. So now when you're done flipping it, you're going to let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now your chicken is ready and I'm going to set this aside. So I'm going to start boiling the water for our pasta. And now we're going to let this boil. Melt some butter in this same pan. This is going to build flavor, guys. This is about 3 tablespoons of butter.
Unfortunately, my mic stopped working. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to saute some minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you want to. This is what I had at home, so I used that. When that is done, you're gonna go in with your heavy cream. Unfortunately for me, my heavy cream spoiled and I did not realize earlier. So I poured it away and I started afresh. While our sauce is getting ready, we're gonna go in with our fettuccine pasta. And you're gonna cook that for about 8 minutes. So for our sauce, we're gonna season it with some Italian seasoning, black pepper, some lemon juice, our oregano leaves, and salt. You're gonna mix this till it's fully combined and make sure you're constantly stirring it on medium to low heat so that it doesn't burn. I'm going to keep stirring this, right? We're going to taste to see if we need more seasoning or more salt. This is so good. Oh my gosh, guys, I forgot to put salt in my pasta water. I'm going to do that right now. So now you can see our sauce is getting thick. Okay, so I'm going to add my cheese. If you have Parmesan cheese at home, please make sure you use it. But I do not have Parmesan cheese, so I'm using mozzarella cheese. I'm not using too much. When going in with your cheese, make sure the heat is on low, right? So the next thing you're gonna do is you're going with your pasta straight from the pan, right? Okay. So I'm just going to mix this thoroughly. Guys, this looks so good. Can you see that? Can you hear that? Oh my gosh. Can you see that? That's it. Okay. Oh. Oh my gosh. So it's taste time. Cheers. Guys, this is the real deal. Follow my recipe and I promise you, you're gonna make this every day. Bye, family. Mwah.